Welcome to our quick comparison of two popular countertop ice makers, the EUHOMY and the Igloo. Both machines promise efficient ice production, but they have distinct features that cater to different user preferences. In this video, we will explore their speed, ice size options, and portability to help you decide which one is right for you. The EUHOMY ice maker stands out with its impressive ability to produce a batch of 9 ice cubes in just 6 minutes, making it the faster option for those who need ice quickly. In contrast, the Igloo takes 7 minutes for the same amount, which, while still efficient, is slightly slower. However, it's worth noting that the EUHOMY consumes more power at 170 W compared to Igloo's 120 W, making the Igloo a more energy-efficient choice. When it comes to ice size options, the Igloo ice maker offers flexibility with the ability to produce both small and large ice cubes, catering to different preferences and uses. On the other hand, the EUHOMY only produces one size of bullet-shaped ice, which may limit its versatility for some users. If you enjoy having options for your drinks, the Igloo might be the better choice. Portability is another important factor to consider. The EUHOMY ice maker is designed with a carrying handle and weighs approximately 13.38 pounds, making it easy to transport for camping trips or gatherings. In contrast, the Igloo weighs around 17.45 pounds, which makes it slightly bulkier and less convenient for on-the-go use. If you plan to move your ice maker frequently, the EUHOMY is the clear winner. In conclusion, both the EUHOMY and Igloo countertop ice makers have their strengths and weaknesses. The EUHOMY excels in speed and portability, while the Igloo offers versatility in ice sizes and energy efficiency. Depending on your specific needs, one may suit you better than the other. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.